Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life with full of energy. Let's discuss the another common word meaning and I can say the terminology in a geography. Most important terms in the geography with their meaning. So let's go and discuss it with the help of pictures so that you will never forget such type of important vocabulary from your mind. So the first one is latitude, the angular distance north or south of the equator measured in degrees. The second one is longitude, the angular distance east or west of the prime meridian measured in degrees. Topography, the arrangement of the natural and the artificial physical features of an area. Elevation, the height above sea level. It's called the elevation. Cartography, the art and science of map making. Geography, the study of the Earth's physical features, climate, and human populations. Physical geography, the branch of geography that focuses on natural features such as landforms, climate, vegetations, and ecosystems. Human geography, the branch of geography that deals with human activities including population, culture, and urban development. Topographic map, a map that shows the shape and elevation of the land surface using contour lines. Biomes, a large natural occurring community of flora and fauna adapted to specific environmental conditions is called biomes. Plate tectonics, the theory that Earth's lithosphere is divided into the several large plates that move and interact at their boundaries. Climate, the long-term patterns of temperature, humidity, wind, and the other atmospheric conditions in our region. Ecosystem, a community of organisms interacting with their physical environment. Geographical coordinates, a set of latitude and longitude values that specify a location on the Earth's surface. Relief, the difference in the elevation between the highest and the lowest points in an area. Oceans and continents, the Earth's major bodies of water and land masses such as the Atlantic Ocean, Africa and Asia. Volcano, a vent in the Earth's crust through which molten rock, ashes and gases are ejected. Desert, a dry arid region, a dry place with minimal precipitation. Rainforest, a dense tropical forest with high levels of annual rainfall like Andhra Pradesh, Himalaya, Assam. Archipelago, a group of islands. Archipelago. Watershed, an area of land that drains all the streams and rainfall to a common outlet such as a river or lake. Glacier, a large mass of ice that moves slowly down a mountain valley or spreads outward from a center. Urbanization, the process of population concentration in cities. Demographics, the statistical data of a population including age, gender, race, education and the other characteristics factors. Urban planning, the design and the organization of cities and urban areas. Globalization, the process of increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of the world's economies and cultures. Biogeography, The study of the distribution of species and the ecosystems in geography, space and through geographical time. So you have now understood what are these terms, and with the help of pictures, so that you will never forget such type of vocabulary. Must share our video for the other.